Hi guys, my name is Manvi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you something. Yes, I will teach you something because I learned something very cool and I think everyone should know this. So basically, I customized my own laptop screen myself. So I thought why not just share it with you like how you can make your own aesthetic laptop screen. So without wasting any further time, let's just dive straight into the video. Okay. To make the icons appear in center, first we're going to go on this down arrow, see if the link option is ticked or not in toolbar. Then we're going to unlock the taskbar and then we can move around these icons to the center with the help of these two lines. Mine is already done, but you can do it in this way and place them in center. Then we will lock the taskbar to make those two lines disappear. Then we will go to settings. If you want to hide the taskbar, you can do this. I don't want to hide it, so I didn't do it. Then go to colors to change the accent color of the windows and control the light settings too. You can choose whatever color you want. I went for neutral shades because I love them. See, it's changed. Now I'll tell you how you can make this organized and aesthetic laptop screen which will make you go like, oh my god. In this we have calendar, your favorite quote or saying, and some important columns like for me YouTube, productivity and miscellaneous, and a clock too which is movable. Let's see how you can make this. First go to pinterest.com and find a perfect wallpaper for your screen as per your liking. I went for neutrals because as I said, I freaking love neutrals. Pinterest has a lot of options, trust me on that. You can choose the picture you like and download it from there. I went for again the neutrals as well and downloaded it. See. Then go to canva.com, click on more and then click on the desktop wallpaper. It will open like this. They have presets too, but I'm using the picture we just downloaded. Open it in Canva and resize it according to like the canvas provided to you. Now go to elements section and look for shapes. Click on it and see rounded edges box and click on it. It will appear on the wallpaper section. Duplicate it as many columns you want and resize it accordingly. I want 5 columns, so I'm duplicating it 5 times. Place the columns as per your liking as you want. You can change the color of the boxes too, but I'm going for the one they provided me because that looks perfect. Then just go to text and click on add a heading and write the quote you love. I love this saying, do what makes you happy, but you can write anything you want. Change the colors and font style by selecting the words. I'm going for white color and the font I chose is Selima and Moonlight fonts. These are my favorite and they are so damn aesthetic. Now let's see how you can get transparent background calendar. Go to google.com and search for Make Calendar 2021 with no background. Download the one you like and then search for background remover and click on first link and upload your picture there. It will give you the picture with no background and then just download it. Ta-da! Insert the picture of calendar in Canva. You can keep it as you want, but I'm cropping the upper part because I don't like the font. I'm writing May in Moonlight font and adjust the font size. This is how it looks. Then again add text and write the desired column names you want. I went for YouTube, productivity and miscellaneous because these are important to me and the more stuff is about them. You can change the color of it as you want as well. Then just adjust the columns so that it will appear perfectly on the screen. Just do it like they are all aligned together, like together. This will look like this. Then go to Elements again and click on the Simple Drawn Objects. There are a lot of cute and aesthetic options you can go for. To be honest, there are so many like apples, bananas, and so many things. I'm going for this green leafy one because it's cute. Resize it accordingly so that it can fit perfectly on the column. Then just search for green leaves and add the ones you want on the columns as you want. It will look like this. Then just download it as a PNG file. Then open settings and go to background and change the wallpaper to the one you created just now. Isn't it super duper aesthetic and cute? Like all neutrals and green vibes. Like, oh my god, this is so cute. You can sort the desktop icons according to columns you created. Now for the clock part, search for rain meter on Google, click on this link and just download this file. It looks like this and just install it in the laptop. Then again go to google.com and search for visual skins, go to this link and download the simple clean one, install this in the laptop too. It will look like this when you open. Don't get scared, it's simple, very simple. Clock will automatically appear when you install it. Now let's remove these stuff which I don't want. Right click on the skin and click on manage skin, unload everything apart from clock. You can change the color of text as well from here. Here's your aesthetic laptop screen. This is so freaking cute and customized, like so cute and aesthetic. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I definitely did, making this aesthetic laptop screen. So if you did, then give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And you can follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram feed will be somewhere right here. I post a lot of reels. I'm making a lot of content on Instagram right now and I'm posting every single day. So you must check out that content as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.